case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
This gripping lawsuit began when a group of Hungarian Jews and their descendants filed a class action lawsuit against the United States Army. They alleged that their personal property and valuables, initially stolen by the pro-Nazi Hungarian government during World War II, were subsequently seized by the United States. They contend these seizures occurred when the so-called Hungarian gold train loaded with their stolen possessions was intercepted near Salzburg, Austria. What heightened the drama was the contention over whether these claims had expired due to the statute of limitations, a defense firmly held by the government. They asserted the deadline had passed no later than 1953. Yet, the plaintiffs argued that the principle of equitable tolling, which may pause or extend the time limit based on certain circumstances, should apply, making their complaint timely. The lawsuit involved 3 intricate counts: an unconstitutional taking, a breach of an implied-in-fact contract of bailment, and a violation of conventional and customary international law. The government sought to dismiss these counts, but the court's conclusions were a blend of defeat and victory for both parties. The court's rulings were diverse. The Fifth Amendment claim was dismissed on the grounds it doesn't apply extraterritorially, and under the substantial connections requirement, the defensive assertion of constitutional rights by aliens in U.S. courts was curtailed. This meant the claim of unconstitutional taking had to be dismissed. However, the count alleging a breach of an implied-in-fact contract of bailment was allowed to proceed. The court also greenlighted the plaintiffs' claims for international law violations under the Administrative Procedure Act, APA, for non-monetary relief. Whether the government was exempt from judicial review under the military authority exception to the APA, and whether sovereign immunity barred claims based on international law unless Congress waived it, formed the crux of the case's arguments. The court navigated these murky waters by granting the motion to focus initial discovery on the APA's military authority exception and contract formation issues. In the end, the plaintiffs had presented sufficient facts to survive a motion to dismiss their bailment claim, and so the legal proceedings pressed onwards. They had until December 13, 2002, to submit revised schedules for discovery and briefings, as the saga of this historical dispute unfurled in the courtroom.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.